Hey everyone, today we're going to do a quick unboxing and take a closer look at this Trond Power Strip Tower. This is a tower of plugs. There's 14 AC outlets on this, plus 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports, and it does 2100 joules, plus it has a 6-foot cord on it with a slim plug on the end of only 0.55 inches. Now, it does have an 18-month warranty, 30-day money-back guarantee, plus 100% satisfaction. And if you want all the technical specs, you can pause it right there and have a closer look. So let's go ahead and open this up here. So in the box, of course, it came with the welcome guide and then the Power Strip Tower itself. Now, one of the first things I noticed, it's got the rubberized feet on the bottom so it doesn't slide around on your desk. And then the heavy duty cord there, that is quite thick and it's 6 feet long with the slim plug on the end. So that's only 0.55 inches. So you can tuck it neatly behind a couch or something like that. And then the tower itself. So you've got some that are kind of vertical like this. So if you have smaller plugs, and then some that kind of go off at an angle like that. So if you have bigger plugs, they're not interfering with one another. And there's 14 of those plugs around the outside. We've got a little red reset button here on the side by the plug. And then on the top, this is a surge protector. So we've got the little grounded light and protected light. Again, plus the 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports, plus a power button right here to turn it on and off. So that's really handy. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. So I've got it all plugged in there, and let me just show you the size. So if you're wondering about the height, it is roughly about 5.5 inches tall. And if we have a look at the top here, about 4.5 inches wide and 3 3/4 deep roughly. So it's nice and small, compact for your desk. I'll go ahead and turn this on here. So push the power button down and the grounded and protected lights did come on. Now I did want to show you, so if I take a larger plug like this and plug it in here, it will kind of cover the other plugs. So that's where these ones come in handy. If I plug this in over on the side here, it's not going to interfere with the other plugs. So you can use all of them. So that's really nice. Of course, I've got my USB-C port there. I can just plug that in at the top. I've got my USB-A. We'll plug that in there. And then if you've got your regular plugs, maybe a computer charger or something like that, we can just plug that in right there. So a nice little unit. It works really well. Again, there's 14 outlets on it, which is really handy if you have tons of gadgets like I do. And again, this is the Trond Power Strip Tower, and it's got you covered for all your charging needs.